Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to act now. Open the edit window and reveal the clip list. Once visible, save a backup session copy so you can restore anything if needed. Make sure to commit or consolidate any clips you plan to keep, otherwise they'll be gone. You're preparing the session and selecting the space where unused clips will be found. This first step ensures you avoid accidental loss and places you directly into the clip list where deletion begins. Now you'll isolate unused material. Use the clip list show menu and choose Unused to filter everything else out. Once filtered, click the first unused clip, then shift-click the last to select a block, or use Command/Control for individual picks. You're doing this to avoid touching clips in use. Right-click a selected clip to review properties and confirm it's truly unused. This careful selection step prevents accident. Finish by choosing Clear from the clip list or Edit menu to delete the selected unused clips from disk. Once done, save your session under a new name if you want a fresh baseline. This prevents accidental recovery that keeps clutter. If you encounter missing audio later, make sure you haven't cleared clips needed by hidden playlists. Undo immediately or restore your backup session copy. If clear is grayed out, confirm you have the right permissions and that no clips are still referenced by tabs or track playlists.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.